Normally there are three kinds of tube lights available in the market. The first one is the fluorescent conventional tube light with the normal choke. Second one is the fluorescent tube light with the electronic blast, and third one is our LED tube light without any choke or without any starter. So first we will show you the comparison between the normal conventional fluorescent tube light with the normal choke and the LED tube light. The connection to the LED tube light is very simple. Just join the both ends of the tube light with the phase and neutral. Now this is the tube light with a normal choke. You can see here, normal fluorescent tube light, and you can see the power consumption. It is showing as 58.48 watts. And you can see this tube light. Now we will make it on the LED tube light. Now this is LED tube light. You can see how bright the light is, and you can see that the power consumption is only 18.8. This is quite lower, almost 1/3 of the power consumption from the normal fluorescent light. Now you can see both of the tube lights. In the first tube light, the light is flickering, you can see here, and in this LED tube light the light is quite continuous, and you can see the comparison of both the tube lights. The LED is showing 18.7 something, and the conventional is showing almost 58 watts. So there is a saving of almost 2/3 of the electricity consumption. Now we are showing you the comparison between the tube light, which is little expensive, with the electronic choke, and our Millennium T8 LED tube light. You can see the comparison. Now the tube light with the electronic choke is consuming almost 35 watts, while the LED tube light is still consuming 18.7 almost, so half of the consumption.